Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you connect your printer to Jio AirFiber. It's a straightforward process, and will cover everything you need to know to get your printer up and running smoothly. Whether you prefer a wireless setup or a wired connection, this guide will walk you through each step. We'll ensure you have a stable and reliable connection, allowing you to print effortlessly from all your devices. Let's get started and make printing simple for you. Connecting your printer wirelessly to Jio AirFiber is often the most convenient option. First, make sure your printer has Wi-Fi capabilities. Then, navigate to your printer's wireless setup menu, which is usually found in the settings. From there, you'll select your Jio AirFiber network from the list of available networks and enter your Wi-Fi password. Once connected, your printer should display a confirmation message, and you'll be ready to print without any cables. If a wired connection is more suitable for your setup, you have a couple of options. For a USB connection, simply connect your printer directly to your computer using a USB cable. If your printer supports Ethernet, you can connect it to one of the LAN ports on your Jio AirFiber device using an Ethernet cable. After making the physical connection, remember to install the appropriate printer drivers on your computer. A quick test print will confirm everything is working perfectly. Sometimes you might encounter small hiccups, but don't worry, troubleshooting is usually simple. If your printer isn't connecting, try restarting both your printer and your Jio AirFiber device. Also, ensure your printer's software is up to date for the best performance. For wireless connections, placing your printer closer to your Jio AirFiber can improve signal strength. If issues persist, don't hesitate to reach out to Jio AirFiber support or your printer's manufacturer for expert assistance. Happy printing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.